Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use animations on Botsociety. We've added animations to some of our presets, and I'm currently working on an SMS design. So I'm gonna label it that, and let's get going to add animations. The main animation that we've added is the push notification. So when a conversation starts from a push notification that gets sent from the bot to the user, this is usually what happens within 24 to 48 hours of an initial bot and user interaction in platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. So here I'm going to show you how to add the animation. So in order to add this animation, click on Bot Says and then choose the message type, entry, animation, push notification. And so here you'll write this under a number. So I'm just going to put in a random number, and the push notification is here's your shipping information, for example. So something like this. And when you add the animation, when you add this message type, you can notice that in this residual menu, we have the item add animation, and then proactive messaging for iOS is already checked because it's the default animation for this message type. Message types can have default animations, or they can have optional animations. Since this message type, the entry animation push notification has one animation for iOS and one for Android, which I just added now. You're able to see both of them like these, like that. And so when I add this message, you kind of see a preview of what the notification will look like, but you're able to see the beginning of the interaction between the user and the bot when you press play. Another way of adding animations before I show you play is by clicking on the path header and then clicking add animation. These animations you can add in the preset properties, which is you can find over here, and that is if you're working on a platform that you support or you're creating a bot for, and you have another type of animation that appears on the screen at the beginning of a path, then you can add it. You add it in the preset properties, you upload the animation, and then it'll appear here. We'll soon publish a more detailed tutorial on how to work with preset properties. If you want to add more animations to other message types, you can definitely do that as well in the preset properties. And once added there, you'll see the animation here. So for now, the easiest animations to use are the ones that are included. So the entry animation, push notification, and for that you you add that message type, and then it's already the default one. So over here, now I'm gonna press play so you're able to see how the conversation goes. Usually you want to add the same message that is on the push notification also as a message, as a text message, so that the user receives that text and then continues the conversation. So adding it both on Apple, on iPhone, and on Android. You can add by just clicking on the other device. And here we go. So this is the push notification, the message gets sent, and that was the experience for an iPhone, and here's the experience for Android. So it's clicked and then the message gets sent. I hope you'll be able to use this animation and the other ones that you're able to add personally in order to make your designs as similar to the experience that you want to develop as possible. I'm going to show you how to use some more animations for Apple Business Chat. If you're familiar with the Apple Business Chat platform, you might know that they use a lot of responsive message types, such as list pickers, time pickers. You can incorporate Apple Pay into it, open up websites, etc. So we've added animations to support all of this, and now I want to show you how you can also do this on Botsociety. So I've started a basic conversation here, and I want to add a list picker next. A list picker is it is an overlay that opens up, and the user has to select an option in order to continue. So I said, hi, I'm Botsociety's bot. Click below to tell me how I can help you. And so over here, Apple Business Chat has a lot of message types. So what I want to do is I want to pick list picker large or list picker compact, doesn't matter. I'll go with list picker large. And now over here, you see fields and instructions on how to fill them. So list pickers can have up to over 6 items, but we support up to 6 items on Botsociety since that covers most use cases. And so over here, the first image is that image that's going to show up on the large list picker. So the large list picker has a big image which you can click on, and it has a title and it says tap to select, which usually is optional. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload just the Botsociety logo on that, and then list picker title, I'm gonna say what do you need help with? And over here, I can write tap to select. So the category could be menu, since it's a menu of what I can do, what the bot can do for the user. So let's just do 2 items. I'm gonna do, let's say it's Apple Pay, or no, open an account, and we need a little logo or something like an avatar to appear next to the list item. That's how the list picker usually works. And so item 2, I'm gonna do pay my subscription fee. And here I'm just adding the logo again to keep it consistent. You can put different, so here I could put like a wallet icon. Here I can put something to signify opening an account. So you can really be creative with this. And then once you are able to export and build your Apple Business Chat design, this is how it'll look. So I'm gonna go down here, and now to add the animation for a list picker with 2 items, I'm going to click on this residual menu, go to add animation, and look, the default animation that's selected is list picker 2 items with description. Now I didn't add descriptions, so I'm gonna unselect that. Whoops. So I unselected that, and I'm gonna select the one with a description. So once I click add, the path, yep, it's over here. The message is, the image is loading right now. Because if I open it again, all right, yeah, here we go. So the message has been added, and this is what it looks like. And then when I click play, let's do video preview. So you can see I've added the logo, I made the header, this is the messages are going, and now the list picker appears, and then it opens up on the screen, and the user clicks open an account. So similar to this, let's say that the user picked pay my subscription fee. As I said, like Apple Pay also has a message type and an animation. So similarly, I can just put here again this and pay, and then the subscription price $79, and that's added. So it would be something like this. And this is if the Apple Pay, if the pay my subscription fee option is selected. So actually what I can do is I'm gonna just change these items to stay consistent. Great. So now the user starts the conversation, the list picker appears, pay my subscription fee, and then the bot immediately sends the Apple Pay link, which the user clicks, and then the Apple Pay animation also appears. And it's done. So you can design really cool interactions using Botsociety like this. As I said before, on platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, we support the push notification animation, while on Apple Business Chat, you have all these other animations that really make it possible for you to create really engaging prototypes and designs with animations that look exactly how Apple Business Chat would look. So I hope you will have fun exploring this, and if you create demos, you can download them, and we would love to see these. So please feel free to reach out and send these over to us.